In this video, I'll detail how to enable Airplay Receiver Password on iPhone 12 Pro Max on iOS 18. So this is one of the quickest way to protect your iPhone whenever you are trying to receive or someone is trying to share Apple Vision Pro stream to your iPhone using Airplay Receiver. So if I don't know this video, if you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do here is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, you want to scroll down, then select General. Once you selected General, scroll down, click on Airplay and Continuity, and once you selected that, scroll down to the bottom, then you should see Require Password. Then once you enable Airplay Receiver here, this is going to enable Require Password. But if Airplay Receiver is disabled, this is not going to give you the option to turn on or activate Require Password for Airplay Receiver on your iPhone. Turn this on, then scroll down and you should see Require Password. Go ahead and tap this. Then you'll be prompted to set in your password to require for Airplay Receiver on your iPhone 12 Pro Max. Once set, click on OK. Then you should see Require Password turned on. Then whenever anyone is trying to share or stream the Apple Pro Vision to your iPhone, the person will be prompted to type in the password. So this can easily turn on or enable Require Password for Airplay Receiver on iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.